Hi everybody and welcome back to Epic Specials. Today I'm going to show you how to convert your standard rear light clusters into JDM spec. And by that I mean by adding extra stop and tail light bulbs to these inside clusters. Now here in the UK we have to have fog lights, and they usually put the fog light on these inner lenses. But obviously everything's cooler in Japan and we like to copy them. So I want to have 4 stop and tail light bulbs all the way across the back of the car. So I'm going to show you how to fit them. So let's crack on. So let me just start off by showing you how the standard tail lights look. So as you can see, they're just on the outside lenses. So I removed the rear bulb holders out of the car. And you can see the way Nissan do it, on Sunnies at least, is they like to screw the bulb holder to the backing plate. So that means it's really easy to swap the bulb holders around. Now here, there's a blank, because there is no fog light fitted to the passenger side of the vehicle over here. But on the driver's side, you've got the fog light bulb holder and a reflective backing. So what I need to do is unscrew this one and replace it with one of these, which is a twin filament bulb holder, so allowing stop and tail lights. So that one is just a single filament bulb, and then on this side just screw on this one in that place. And then we need to solder the wires into the standard wiring so we can piggyback off the existing stop and tail lights. And once that's done, we will have 4 stop and tail light bulbs and all the JDM Yo's awesome epic. There we go. Okay, so I've added the bulbs, all the bulb holders, and I've soldered them into the existing wiring loom. Don't use Scotch locks, don't be a bodging bastard, do it properly and use solder. Right, so all the wiring's insulated now, and I've run it as neat as I can, so let's pop them back in. Okay, so let's see if they've worked. Cool. Just in case you think I'm being a loser JDM fanboy and making it up about the JDM spec, there it says right there, Japan 21 watt 5 watt twin filament, Euro spec 21 watt. So they do run like that in Japan, I didn't just make it up. So that's it, quite an easy job. And if you're wondering, I left the standard fog light bulb holder in place, it's just tucked out the way. So come MOT time, I can pop a rear fog light back in there and it's all legit, no worries. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.